Hi friends, welcome back. Naji here. In this video, we will be discussing on Groq and we'll see how can we create a API key for Groq. Then we will discuss how can we integrate Groq with LangChain. So Groq is a company pioneering next generation hardware solutions for AI. And when we talk about the story of Groq, which was this company was founded by the former engineers from Google who worked on the TPU. TPU is a tensor processing unit. So they thought that they can create more simpler, faster, and more efficient AI workloads, or they can create the hardware that is they have invented the LPU. So LPU is the learning processing unit, which is as I said, it's a simple and faster for AI workloads. Okay, so LPU is really fast, so we can see that when we implement that in our project. So we can go to their site, that is groq.com. So this is the Groq.com. So they are providing free API keys. We can make use of those API keys, and we will able to do the different LLM based applications. Okay. So just go to the Groq.com. Then in the developer session, we can see few menus here. So click on the developer session. Just click on the free API key. Then we will get a API key session here. Just click on the create new API key. Give some name and ensure that you are a human. Then you will able to create the API key. So I have already created the API key, so I am not going to create it again. Then if you go to the documentation part, and here we can see the different models that is supported by the Groq, and we will be using the Gamma 2 9 billion IT4 for our application. So here there are a lot of quick starter videos tutorials are there, and text and speech vision, there are a lot of tutorials are there, you guys can go and check. And here we have the playground is there. So somehow the playground is not working for me, but maybe some issues there. So you guys can go and check the playground. Here we can ask the questions, and we can do some kind of a interactive section just like the ChatGPT. Okay, so that's about the interface. Now we can go back to our Visual Studio Code. So I have already imported OS, and I have set the API key, that's a Groq. This is what we need to set, Groq underscore API underscore key as the key that is we got from their website. Now what we need to do, we need to install the LangChain Groq. We have to do the pip install. Okay, so let me do a pip install here. We can run the requirement, but since it's only the one requirement, let me do that pip install. We can do the paste. So let me select the environment. So this, okay, the spelling is not correct. So let me do the pip install. Pip install. Yep. So the installation is in progress. Okay, so the installation is done. So it is installed Groq 0.15.0. This is the version that is installed. So it is a good practice to have the version also mentioned here. Whenever we do the installation, it's good to have the version also mentioned. Otherwise, like if the latest upgrade, when they release the greatest upgrade, it may cause our program may block with the new upgradation of the versions. Okay, so we can go to that programming side. We have a LangChain underscore, just like we do with OpenAI, we can use the Groq. We can import chat Groq. Now we can create our LLM model. So let me create a LLM. LLM will be chat Groq, and here we can mention our model. So the model will be, so let me go and get the model here. So this is my model. So let me copy this model. Paste it here. I can set the temperature as 0. So our model is ready. Now we can set a message. So I will be using the user prompt messages. Then we can have the user here. I can say that you are a helpful language translator. Translate from English to French. So this is my prompt. Okay, so now we can give the, this is the system, sorry, this is not the user prompt, this is the system prompt, and the user prompt we can give it as a I love programming. So this has to be converted to the programming, to the French. So that is our criteria. So here I can set the AA message, that will be llm.invoke. I can pass messages. Okay. So we'll see what is this AA message. AA message dot content. So we will have the corresponding French version of I love programming. And we'll see how can we do a chaining with respect to Groq, so which is also similar, and just we only need to change this only. Okay, instead of OpenAI or any other thing, we have to create the LLM with the chat Groq, then rest of the things are same. So anyway, we'll see how can we create a chain LLM. So for that, let me copy and paste this model, the message. Okay, so here I am going to say that this is my input language and this is my output language. And here this will be my input. Okay, now what we can do, we can create a prompt from LangChain core.prompts. I can import chat prompt template. Okay, so let me add few cells here. The prompt will be chat prompt template. From messages I can pass messages here. So we have our prompt is ready. Now we can create the chain. Chain can be easily created by chaining the prompt. This is my input that will be passed to our LLM model. So let's do a result. Can do a chain dot invoke. So here we need to pass 3 parameters, right? One is the input language. So my input language will be maybe let's make it as a French, and my output language will be English, and my input will be, I don't know French, but what we will do, we can copy it from here. Let me see if I can copy. Okay, now let me execute it. There is execution is success. Oh yes, so it's getting I love programming. So we'll see result.content, not construct, it is content, right? So we will have the converted message, that is French to English, that is the I love programming. Okay, so that is all about in this video. So please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.